There are some things worth investing in. Things that are made with care, quality, and craftsmanship. Introducing DOS Keyboard 4, the leader in mechanical keyboards for people who expect the best. DOS Keyboard 4 feels unlike anything you've used before. Its end key rollover affords precision, while its tactile feedback helps you type both faster and more accurately. Built to include revolutionary new features, such as the latest USB 3 connection ports, oversized volume knob, and dedicated media controls, all designed to deliver an experience unlike any other. Every corner contains hours of dedication, work, and thought, as well as a few surprises. DOS Keyboard 4 is the next generation of our award-winning DOS keyboard line. It's the perfect blend of technology and art.
Hello, my name is Michael. I'm the head of MX Technology and Partner Marketing from Cherry. As you know, it's pretty easy to build one single switch. But if you have to build 100 switches with the same level of quality and the same feeling, it's a pretty difficult job. When we introduced the MX switch about 35 years ago, we didn't have gaming in mind. Our engineering team always focused on innovation and optimization, so we introduced the silent switches, the RGB technology, and the speed switch. So our production is located in Germany, so all our switches are really made in Germany. And with the quality assurance close to the production, we also have the whole product lifecycle under our control. And control is what really matters. With the newest member of the ROG gaming keyboard series, ASUS gave that control to the user. With the oversized control key and the additional keycap set, this keyboard is truly optimized for FPS gaming. With the stealth key, you can hide all your applications and put your microphone to mute with a single key in order you get a phone call or somebody is entering your gaming room. With the switchable media key, you can control your volume and your media functions. And with the on-fly macro recording, this keyboard is also optimized to give you the best possible MMO experience. Of course, ASUS has chosen the Cherry MX RGB switches, and together with the Aura software, that gives you the best lighting experience possible. With the aluminum metal plate and the Cherry MX switches, ASUS developed a really great keyboard to give to you. Of course, you have to win the game. We wish you all the luck for that. Thank you.
PAX East in Boston is where Cooler Master debuted their MK850 keyboard to the public. Here's what people had to say about the game-changing aimpad technology.
First impressions on it are really good. I mean, I think that there's a few really innovative things about that keyboard you're not going to get anywhere else. Like you've got the pressure-sensitive movement. That's something that, you know, freeing up that extra hands that you don't have to press shift to control walk or something like that. That's going to go a long way.
It gives you that nice bridge into getting that slow functionality of creeping around a corner. You can actually do that without spam tapping a key, as opposed to you can just ease it down. Say you're moving as a sniper. You want to move a little bit, but you don't want to make a ragged movement that alerts people to your location. This will be a huge advantage to that gameplay.
This keyboard will definitely change the market in shooters. To a gamer, you want to have that edge, that advantage, and this is something that's going to give it to it.